Good morning, guys. So it is now the second day. We left the shed like this yesterday, and today it's just the same thing really. Get rid of all the stuff, clear it all off, and prepare the base for the new shed. So we have got a lot to do. So the plan is get rid of all this first, and then we're going to move on to this, and then the roof, and then pack everything. Now that is pretty much all of the flooring gone. That is all of the flooring gone, and we are going to tackle these now. So I'm probably just going to use the reciprocating saw to saw some of the bits out, but making sure to not hit any nails. There's a nail. Quick little progress report. So all of these are pretty much clear, all the walls, we've just got the roof to sort out, so that shouldn't be too bad. Yeah. So Dad is here now, we've got some reinforcements, so we are going to head to B&Q now to grab some more stuff. So sand, some post mix, a few screws. So hopefully by tomorrow we should be just laying the base down and then leave it to dry up. So yeah, let's go! Now we're talking. So, come up with a problem. Multi-purpose cement, 25 kilogram. Fucking gone. None left. So, plan B. We're just going to put some slabs instead of cement. So yeah, anyhow, that's life, we're just going to move on. So all the slabs and the rocks are finally there. I am tired. So a little progress update. We have pretty much done most of the stuff. We've just got the roof to dismantle, and we've sized up the shed, and now we're just leveling up the soil. We've done that bit on the side to stop the soil, that bit there to stop the soil from going over to the back of the shed. So we've just got Dad leveling everything. Tired?
Yes, I'm gonna be working now.
So that is it, day 2 done. Dark as fuck. Sorry, I'm dark. No swearing. So yeah, day 2 done. Leveled all the soil, and I've also put some rocks on top. Tomorrow we'll get some more rocks, and yeah, hopefully lay the slabs down. But that's it for now, really. We're just gonna wait for the shed to arrive. So we've still got some of these to clear up for tomorrow. Just have a look, and other than that, we're pretty much done. So yeah, thank you.